Hello student, today we will learn an important result of parallelogram theorem 2. Consider a parallelogram ABCD, where AB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to AD. Now draw the diagonal AC. This diagonal divides the parallelogram into two triangles. Theorem states in a parallelogram the opposite angles are equal. That means angle ABC equal to angle ADC and angle BCD that equal to angle BAD. Now let us prove this theorem. Since AB is parallel to CD and therefore angle BAC that equal to angle DCA and they are alternate interior angles. BC is parallel to AD, therefore angle BCA equal to angle DAC, they are also alternate interior angles. Now we consider the two triangle ABC and ACD. Where angle BAC equal to angle DCA and angle BCA equal to angle DAC and they are interior angles, alternate interior angles. And AC is the common side. So triangle ABC congruent to triangle ACD according to the ASA congruence rule. Since the triangle are congruent, angle ABC that equal to angle ADC. Similarly, if we join BD, we can show that angle BCD equal to angle BAD. Hence, the opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. This is parallelogram theorem 2. In the next video, we will learn parallelogram theorem. For more geometry lesson, subscribe to Geometry Zone. Thank you. Visit again.